everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to upload and share files using Dropbox. Firstly, if you don't know what Dropbox is, it is a popular cloud storage platform that allows users to store, share, and access files from any device. Users can upload files to Dropbox servers and access them from any device with an internet connection. Now, it offers both free and paid plans, with the paid plans offering more storage space and additional features. The key benefits of using Dropbox are easy file sharing, access from anywhere, automatic syncing, data backup, etc. Now, in order to share and upload files using Dropbox, first of all, you need to be signed into your Dropbox account. So if you don't have a Dropbox account, the first thing that you need to do is create an account using Dropbox. So go to Chrome, give all your details. There's a premium plan that offers more storage space, but you can just select the free plan, doesn't matter. Now, once you're done doing that, kindly log into your account. And once you're logged in, you will see this page. Now, in here, you'll see so many different options to upload a file, to create some new files, to download, open and delete, etc. We need to first upload a file. So click on upload, go to files. Now from here, you can just search wherever your file is and select it. Once you're done selecting your file, click on Open. Next, from here, just click on Upload. As you can see, my file here is selected. You can see a green tick mark here. You can go on and select more files from Add More, or you can just stop right here if that's it. As you can see, my file is now uploaded here. In here, you'll see this box giving info regarding the file that you just uploaded. Now, just above that, you will see the share option, and you'll also see this copy link option. You can copy this link, or if you want to share, you can just click on share. So now you will get this option to type the email of the person that you want to share this file to. So just enter the email. Now in here, you'll get this option to add a note, which can be a little text just saying, hey, check this out, or anything you want. Now click on Share File. Now here you will see this little tick mark saying shared this file to whatever email that you just selected, and now your file is shared to the person that you wanted to share it to. Also, you can just go on to download the file or delete it in case you don't want it anymore on Dropbox. So again, this is how you share files via Dropbox, by just clicking on the share option and entering the email, and then it's done. So this is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro in order to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.